In a stunning turn of events, a legal battle that shook the foundations of American democracy has reached a quiet, yet explosive resolution. Rudy Giuliani, once a towering figure in New York politics and a key architect of Donald Trump's 2020 election challenges, has agreed to a confidential settlement with Dominion Voting Systems over its $1.3 billion defamation lawsuit. But here's where it gets controversial. This isn't just about money. It's about accountability for spreading baseless claims that upended public trust in the electoral process. And this is the part most people miss. The settlement's secrecy raises questions about whether justice was truly served or merely buried under layers of confidentiality. The dispute traces back to Giuliani's relentless campaign to paint Dominion, one of the nation's largest voting machine providers, as a puppet of a rigged election. His claims, amplified on social media and conservative platforms, falsely allege that Dominion systems were manipulated to hand Joe Biden victory in Georgia, a state that flipped control of the U.S. Senate. These accusations, devoid of evidence, not only triggered death threats against election workers, but also fueled a broader erosion of faith in democratic institutions. Yet, investigations by Trump's own Attorney General and others found no proof of widespread fraud. So, why did Giuliani persist? Was it loyalty to a cause or something more personal? The settlement, finalized in a federal court filing in Washington, D.C., marks a significant chapter in Giuliani's legal woes. Over the past year, he's faced a cascade of setbacks: disbarment in New York and Washington, a bankruptcy filing, and a $1.36 million judgment for legal fees from a separate case. Earlier this month, a Minnesota judge even ruled that MyPillow founder Mike Lindell defamed another election tech firm, Smartmatic, by echoing similar conspiracy theories. Dominion's case against Giuliani, however, stands out for its scale and symbolic weight. It wasn't just about financial damages. It was about holding someone accountable for weaponizing misinformation. This isn't Dominion's first legal victory. In 2023, the company secured an $800 million settlement from Fox News for its role in amplifying election falsehoods, and conservative network Newsmax agreed to pay $67 million. These cases highlight a growing trend. Institutions and individuals promoting unverified claims are now facing steep financial and reputational costs. But does that mean the tide is turning against election conspiracies? Or are we simply witnessing a shift in who bears the burden of their fallout? Giuliani's legacy, once defined by his leadership during the 9/11 attacks and his political maneuvering in the Trump era, now hangs in the balance. The former America's mayor has seen his legal and financial standing crumble, yet the broader debate rages on. As the dust settles on this settlement, one question lingers. Can legal action alone repair the damage done to public trust? Or is deeper cultural reckoning needed? Share your thoughts below. Do you believe the courts are the right venue for addressing election misinformation? Or does the problem require a different kind of solution?